Okay, hi, good morning, friends. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to do a little home improvement video having to do with my water heater. We'll get right onto it. Okay, so this photograph is the water heater that was here when we bought the house. Obviously, that's not going to heat anything. So we replaced it with this little cutie. It's an on-demand system, so it doesn't use up as much everything, when it's not being used. It only works when we actually want hot water. So imagine our surprise when this happened. We got up in the middle of the night to the sound of gurgling, and there was so much water coming out of there. You can see the flow of the water coming out from underneath that cement block. Now, as far as we knew, there weren't any tubing or water pipes or anything underneath that block. We didn't know where it was coming from. We looked all over. There's no leak above. There's no leak from inside the wall of the house or anything. We had no idea what was going on. Just water was pouring out and creating an entire lake on the side of our house. So that was interesting. You'll see we looked all over. We looked at the base of the wall of the house, and it wasn't coming from there. So the next little video shows the next photograph shows two people came to help and figure out what the heck was going on. So you can see our new water heater over to the left next to the old one, and they are currently trying to move the cement block to find out what's going on. So here they have the water heater reconnected, and the cement block is partially moved away from the house. A close-up to show it being away from the house. And that little pipe down there underneath was the culprit. You can see the joint there, and that's what was leaking. The previous owners used to park a motorhome over on this side of the house. So they had water piped to go across to that area, and that had since been capped off, and we didn't know that line even existed. So we got it fixed, and they ended up straightening everything out and put it back together. But that was our little episode with the water heater. So I just wanted to tell you, thank you so much for being here, and I really appreciate it, and it makes my day. If you can, leave a thumbs up. That's very encouraging. And if you would like to see more of our little adventures and progress in our Mexican home, do subscribe. That would be lovely. And if there's anything that you would like to see, or you have questions or whatever, put them in the comments. Now, one thing I want to ask for, let me know where you're watching from. I have a space on my wall right here next to me, this big blank space. And when I was in Nogales last weekend, today is the 14th, I came home 4 days ago. I bought a world map, and I want to put it on a corkboard on this wall space and put little push pins, for every location where people tell me where they're from. So I got my first person, that's from Tucson, Arizona, and as soon as I get the corkboard next week, I'll be putting that up here, and that person will be the first pin on my map. I feel silly at the beginning, because it's just, oh yeah, we're going to fill that map. But maybe we are. Who knows? So every once in a while, I would like to include a little video of it and show the progression of it, in there. And who knows, maybe you'd see your name in there. Now, if you don't want your name put on there, please, in the comments, just tell me the location and tell me not to use your name. I will definitely respect your privacy, okay? But I think it would just be cute as heck and really a lot of fun to watch that grow, all those little push pins and with little tags with names on them and stuff. So please tell me where you are. And again, thanks so much for being here. If you're returning, thanks. I really appreciate it. And if you're brand new, welcome. And welcome to my family. All right. Y'all have a blessed day. Toodles.